And happy birthday to you and to Love Cyril Vlog, Cyril Desimos, Cyril Vlog, and wishing you to of the good health. Sana po magpamati natin ng birthday mo ni Cyril Desimos. At sa lahat po at sa lahat sa ay handa, pagbabati, yung celebrate natin si happy birthday Cyril Desimos. So syempre kung maalala ko sa tapos and good health and always wishing you a good health and success and good life, and sana maraming gusto. So magandang sana naglaro ng wangan 6 hours sa lalaro dito. So thank you guys and God bless and thank you. So sana mag-enjoy lang, happy at siyempre ko lang to sa and God bless and wishing you all and enjoy your day. And wish ko sa'yo always good health and salamat na last August hindi natin nawala pala sa Manila. So yun, so thank you very much and all and good and enjoy your day for your school and perpetual health system. So yun, and God bless and wishing you and enjoy and God bless. Sana ko yun natin kaya na. So, September 30 natin. So, yun. And thank you so much sa lahat. Happy, enjoy your slicer cake. And good for your support this channel. And so, thank you. Pagbabati mo ni Cyril. So, thank you so much. And God bless always. Bye and thank you so much. Happy birthday again, Cyril Desimos.